Massive fire in Japan kills 28. A fire in a building in the Japanese city of Osaka has killed at least 27 people. Japanese broadcaster Nippon Hosai Kokai said Friday that a fire broke out on the 4th or 5th floor of an 8-story building in the market. Pakistan ever bankrupt? Former FBR chairman sensational comments. Shabar Zaidi, the former chairman of the Federal Board of Revenue of Pakistan, has made a sensational statement that the allegations made by the Imran Khan government that everything is going well and that everything is going well are all lies and that the government of Pakistan has ever gone bankrupt. A rare tribute to Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has earned another rare honor for his special efforts for strong, friendly relations with his neighboring Bhutan to honor Indian PM Modi. Corona excitement at the Miss World pageant. Miss India 2020 Manasa Varanasi Corona has been hit. The Miss World 2021 pageant has been temporarily postponed due to the fact that she and several other blondes from different countries are suffering from COVID. Bank employees strike for second day against privatization. Bank employees have accused the BJP, which is in power at the center, of trying to tie up public sector banks to corporates. They are demanding immediate reversal of the decision taken by the center. With this strike, the government and rural banks in all areas, including the Telugu streets, have been closed since yesterday. School wall collapses, 3 killed. The tragedy took place in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. An unexpected accident happened at an old school. 3 students were killed when a toilet wall collapsed. 2 other students were seriously injured. A series of deaths of cows in the ashram. At the Gyanananda Ashram in Venkojipalam, Vishakhapatnam, a series of deaths of cows is alarming. There are 12 cows and cows dying at once. Is being discussed proper diet or dying or died of any disease. There is confusion as to whether. SBI call center set up code stolen. Cyberabad police have nabbed a gang operating a fake call center in the name of SBI Bank. 14 perpetrators were arrested. State development with Amaravati. TDP chief Chandrababu said he had prayed to Srivastava to keep Amaravati as the capital. He said that the state was developing due to Amaravati. Controversy over Telangana inter results. Inter first year results in Telangana have become controversial. Students and parents are concerned about the declining pass percentage. Last year 60% passed, but this year only 49% passed.